Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Crime Branch arrests suspended Mines Director Arvind Lolienkar in illegal ore transportation case. More arrests possible. Registering FIR now mandatory. Goa government issues circular to Goa police. Circular following Supreme Court judgment. Miki Pacheco extends support to BJP, says BJP did development. Congress earlier tried to finish him. Congress candidates are corrupt. Surendra Furtado re-elected as CCP mayor. Kabir Pinto Makhija, new deputy mayor, both elected unopposed. Supreme Court removes N. Srinivasan as BCCI chief. IPL 7 under Gavaskar now. Court allows Chennai Super Kings and Rajasthan Royals to play in IPL. And Pudari retained Vijay Gard Memorial Intermedia cricket title. Pudari beat Herald by 5 wickets in the final. Now news in detail. Crime Branch has arrested suspended Mines Director Arvind Lolienkar in the illegal mining case on Friday. Lolienkar was suspended after illegal mining scam saga rocked Goa. Special team of the Crime Branch has till now arrested Subrata Barik, Prashant Sahu, Robert Gonsalves and Ravindra Prakash for the scam. Sources claim that more arrests will follow soon.
Suspended Mines Director Arvind Lolienkar was arrested by Crime Branch in the wee hours of Friday. Lolienkar has been arrested for his links in the illegal ore transportation case and alleged connivance with the trader, Frost International Private Limited. Sources claimed that in 2010, Captain of Ports had conveyed Mines Department about the rampant illegal transportation of ore by few traders, including Frost International, who produced fake documents. But at that time, Arvind Lolienkar just issued a show-cause notice to the trader. Lolienkar did not show any inclination towards cracking down on the culprit and avoided lodging a complaint against Frost International. Further, in 2011, Arvind Lolienkar, who was holding the post of Mines Director, went ahead and issued Frost International the trading license. On 21st March, Crime Branch had arrested Subrata Barik of Frost International from Gujarat. He was arrested in Gujarat and later brought to Goa. Director of Mines and Geology had earlier filed a complaint against their own officials and Frost International for exporting 135,000 metric tons of ore by producing fake documents. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa government has issued a circular directing all the officers of Goa Police to register FIR in every case if the information discloses commission of a cognizable offence. State government has issued this circular following Supreme Court's judgment. Meanwhile, Anti-Corruption Bureau has registered FIR against the officials of IT Department and officials of Infotech Corporation of Goa involved in about 82 crore scam related with GAP1 and GAP2 project.
Pursuant to a judgment passed by the Supreme Court on 12 November 2013, Goa government issued a circular on Friday in the official gazette regarding registration of FIR. Government has issued a circular directing all the officers of Goa Police acting as in charge of police stations that registration of FIR mandatory if information discloses commission of cognizable offence. In case if information does not disclose commission of cognizable offence but indicates necessity of inquiry. As per the Supreme Court order, before registering FIR, a preliminary inquiry may be conducted in matrimonial disputes or family disputes, commercial offences, medical negligence cases, corruption cases, in case if matter reported over 3 months delay. If in any case preliminary inquiry is required, then inquiry must be completed within 7 days. Government has made it clear that if any police officer who does not register FIR despite of information disclosing commission of cognizable offence, then action must be taken against erring officer. Meanwhile, Anti-Corruption Bureau has registered FIR against the officials of Department of Information Technology and officials of Infotech Corporation of Goa involved in about 82 crore scam related with GAP-1 and GAP-2 project, a project to provide interdepartmental and intranet connectivity to various government offices that was undertaken during the previous Congress government. ACB has found that Messrs. Nupur Technologies Private Limited and Messrs. PCS Technology Limited were given tenders when they were not on the empaneled list of vendors. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goa Vikas Party has pledged its support to the BJP in the Lok Sabha poll. GVP MLA Kaitu Silva said, Church has never appealed people not to vote for Narendra Modi. GVP Supremo Miki Pacheco said, Congress has used the minorities for political gains and not the RSS. GVP leaders briefed media after the meeting in Panji on Friday. Miki says Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has sought time to act on the House Committee's Drugs Nexus report.
GVP will support BJP in the Lok Sabha poll, Kaitu Silva said. Church appeals the people to support a secular party and has not opposed Narendra Modi. GVP MLA claims Church has not appealed people not to vote for Modi.
All the members are here today. They are sitting committee members, and we resolve to support for BJP.
Will you go against the church statement and support Mr. Modi?
Of course, we'll go to church and these things, and church have never said that not to vote Modi.
We'll go all out, as there was a question asking supporting both the candidate RSS. I don't see any RSS being targeted a minority, and therefore supporting RSS, there is no issue.
We'll make sure that the Congress and Churchill Alemo, that people should not vote them. We are going to pass this message to across the states.
Pointing at Ravi, GVP said Congress has fielded tainted candidate in North Goa and he can't be trusted.
The Congress party has not given the people of Goa clean candidates that they promised, especially in North Goa.
Miki Pacheco said CM Parrikar has sought for time to act on the House Committee report in the Police Mafia Politician Drug Nexus episode.
The Goa Vikas Party will pressurize the government, will impress upon the Chief Minister that this report must be accepted by the government, and the Chief Minister has already assured both our honorable members of the Legislative Assembly that
I did ask. So he that's what I'm telling you. I asked, and that's what he asked me to for time.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Crime Branch has arrested 3 persons in connection with match fixing and betting on T20 matches. Crime Branch has nabbed Ramnath Naik Raghubandari from Akemargaon and Rupesh Naik from Fatorda. Cash worth Rs 14,000, 1 television, 1 printer, a modem, 1 laptop and 15 mobile phones have been attached by Crime Branch in this raid. Sources claim that these bookies are connected with Mumbai-based gang and are managing operations in Goa. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.